exposing the magic in the Dominican Republic. Ready to be swept off your feet? Let's go on an adventure. Imagine white sandy beaches stretching as far as the eye can see. Crystal clear waters perfect for diving or just floating your worries away. But wait, there's more. From the lively streets of Santo Domingo, where history and modernity collide, to the lush mountains of Jarabacoa, adventure awaits at every corner. Savor the rich flavors of Dominican cuisine. Ever tried mango? You're in for a treat. And don't forget to dance to the rhythm of merengue and bachata, the heartbeat of the island. Nature lovers, get ready to explore hidden waterfalls and exotic wildlife. Thrill seekers, brace yourselves for kite surfing and ziplining through tropical forests. Every moment in the Dominican Republic is an opportunity to create unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and discover the magic of this Caribbean gem now. Your adventure starts here.